Hello beautiful people, welcome back to today's tutorial. If you are new on this channel, kindly consider subscribing. And to my old subscribers, what will I do without you? I am so grateful. Thank you so very much for coming back to watch our videos. I am so grateful. Thank you. So in today's tutorial, we'll be making a fold over clutch, a fold over purse, and I'll be making use of this Ankara fabric and this soft leather, this false leather, and this is the pattern. So I have two pieces of 4.5 by 11 here. That is the base. Then I have two pieces of 10.5 by 11 inches. This is the body, two pieces. Then for the lining, I have 13.5 times 11, two pieces of lining here too. So this is what I'll be using. I'll be using this zipper and this zipper head. So the next thing I'm going to do now is just to go ahead and reinforce this fabric. You know, it is soft, so I need to make it like a bit thick. So I'm going to reinforce it with a fusible interfacing. So I'll just go to my iron now and just iron on a fusible interfacing on this. I'll be right back. This is what I have here. This is the wrong side and the right side. The next thing I'm going to do is just to place this right side of the leather on the right side of this fabric and take it to my sewing machine and sew. This is what we have here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to fix this zipper, the zip. I'm going to put it here. You can also make use of the already made zip, but since presently I don't have the black already made zip, I have this. So I'll just go ahead and measure this and cut it out. So with the right side of this zip facing the right side of the fabric, did you see that? And you want to use the right side of the lining too. It will face the right side of the fabric. Then we'll take it to a sewing machine and sew along this line. This is what I have here. By the time you open it up like this, it's going to stay this way. It's going to stay this way. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side too. So with the right side facing up, you want to place your zip like this and here. Did you see what I did? The right side first, the right side here, and so by the time you open it up like this, it's going to come this way. So let's go to the machine. So this is what we have here. So I'm just going to go ahead and fix this zipper teeth. Like I said earlier, you can use a ready-made zipper, so you won't have to go through this stress I'm going through now. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to put this together and this together. So I'm going to sew along this line and the other side. I'm going to close this up too. So for this lining, you won't close it up. You have to leave like 4 or 5 inches space for us to turn this purse over. This is what I have here. So I'll just go ahead and trim up the sides. So the next thing I'll do now is just to turn it to the right side. So let's see. So what I'm going to do now is just to close up this open side. So I'll just close it up and sew. Look at this. So and give it a good press. So this is what we have finally. Yeah. So our fold over purse is ready. So I'll just go ahead and like probably decorate with a pom-pom. I have this cute pom-pom here, so I'll just go ahead and open this up and insert it here and close it. Wow, can you see that? So our beautiful fold over purse is ready.